Wow, molweni namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisabe Entertainment guys. Last week utrende kakhulu uDadumo Samseleku after ethe last episode of Uthando Nesithembu uMakhumalo failed ukwenza into owayemzisele yona eMzumbe. Yes, uyabasupporta financially, which is a bonus to yena, but le ewayemthathele yona she has thoroughly failed to do. Now uDadumo Samseleku did come back guys ezotshuba akuyiyo lento thina besicinga yiyo. It's not about inzala okanye ukuba nabantwana, but rather uMakhumalo failed ukweseka isithembu and to protect polygamy yakhe. So that was Dadumo Samseleku's defense after ke abantu bethe yo, you need to take a moment and apologize ngamazwi abhlungu wathethileyo kuMakhumalo after exupporte kangaka. So this brings me to season 7 guys, the introduction kaMakhumalo. The very first thing wayitshoyo is that ukweseka umyeni wami noyinkosi yami kufana nokuphefumula kimi. Those were the words, you understand. But season 8 uDadumo Samseleku uzosivezela uba she has failed to actually support yena kwisithembu sakhe. So ithinte abantu abaninzi into etsho nguDadumo Samseleku on national TV. As a result again, umyeni kaSisinozi Mayaba uye wabhala le ku Facebook uthi on behalf of men siyaxolisa Makhumalo, these utterances don't represent us singamadoda. These are things you can change, or rather there are things you can change and there are things you cannot change, and one of them is how another person views and thinks of you. Words like this from a person who claims to love you zibuhlungu, shame, and azikholeleki. Xola tate and look up to who you believe in. In this case, your creator, for he's the only one who can fill that void, you guys. Yakhumbula ke uMakhumalo uba wayichiphizisa inyembezi. She had glass eyes ke guys. Also uMakhumalo posted after ke wonke umntu ezama ukumbonisa uthando, wabhala ke ku Instagram into ba I love you followers zakhe, meaning that uthando enimnika lona guys uyalubona and uyaluva. So these are the news guys. Your thoughts must engage and zonbona on the next. Bye.